Welcome. Today we will be adding a food manually into the supplement category. We will go over two ways to add the food manually and a few other things to help you with using the app and performing this task. We will scroll down to snack and add a food manually. Click the green button outlined in red to open up the snack meal. At the top, highlighted in red, you will see the Search Quick Add bar. Press on this bar. This will bring up the search menu. Underneath the search bar, to the right hand side, you will see the blue plus Add Manually button. Click this button. Your Add New Food menu will pop up. First, name the food. We are adding a supplement. We will name it Titan Meal Replacement. This food is just something we are making up for the video's sake. Moving on to measurement description. Here we will choose what the food will be measured in. Remember, whatever measurement description you choose, it should reflect the macros amount. We have chosen scoop, we will set the macros accordingly. If we were to choose grams for the measurement description, the numbers for the macros would be completely different for the same food. Let's start with protein, put in 14. Then carbs 7, fats 2, sugar 1, move down to fiber and place a 2, and sodium will be 0. From this point in the red rectangle, we will need to choose which category this food falls under. Press category and choose your category. This food is a supplement, so we will choose supplement category. Now, click on the plus add food button to save this manually added food to the supplements category. When the food is added manually, it will be added to the meal and the category of your choosing. Here, the food was added to our snack and supplement category. This manually added food can be changed while in the grayed out added food area. We will select the grayed out box with the pencil in the middle. It is also outlined in red. This will bring up the measurement menu. Notice it is measured in scoops, the measurement we chose. Also, the macros match the number we chose for each of them. Let's go with 4 scoops. And now you've seen the macros change under the food and in the top of the menu under Add Snack, both outlined in black. Now let's find the food we added in the category we added it to. This was named Titan Meal Replacement, added to the supplement category. Scrolling down, yep, there it is, outlined in red. We will not save this meal, but let's look at the food we added from the main menu in the supplement category menu. Let's go back to the main menu. By pressing the back arrow in the top left corner, we can go into supplement and edit our newly added Titan Meal Replacement. Once in the main menu, click the hamburger menu in the top left corner, outlined in red. Then click Supplements under Core Foods and Favorites menus. From here, you will scroll down again. With the green button on the right, we are able to turn this food on and off. Green is on, white is off. You can do this for any food in any category that has the green button. This makes each category smaller and easier to scroll through when placing foods into meals. You are able to turn on your foods that you use frequently and turn off the foods you hardly or never use. You may also hit the green button at the bottom of the screen to bring up the quick menu. Once the quick menu is up, there are a few things to know. First, the search button is the button to search for foods. Once clicked, the search bar menu will come up and you are able to search for whichever food you choose. You must remember that once your food is found and you add the food, it will only be added to the category you are in. For example, from the main menu, we clicked on the hamburger menu and selected supplements. So from the quick menu, here a food searched and added will only be added to the supplement category. It will not be added to the meal or any other category. Next is the other way to add food manually. The process is exactly the same as we showed you before. The thing to remember is, we are in the supplements menu from the hamburger menu, and the food we add manually will only be added to supplements. It will not be added to any other category or any other meal. Then we have the scan food button. You may click the button to scan your food, but again, it will only be added to the category you are in and no other category or meal. We are looking for the edit button. We will press the edit button, and you can now edit any foods with the grayed out minus symbol to the left or delete that food from the category entirely. We will click on the Titan Meal Replacement, outlined in red, to bring up the edit menu for this food. Here we can make any changes we would like. Once done with the set changes, click the plus add food button found on the bottom. But for this food, we will not make any changes, we will leave the menu by clicking the back arrow in the top left corner or the green plus Add Food button on the bottom. Going back to the Edit menu, you can delete the food by pressing the grayed out minus button, outlined in the red circle, and now the food has been deleted. This is how you add a food manually, and a few other things to help you on your way. I hope this video was helpful, and have a great day.